have a very large Carrier Gemini. Probably the largest Carrier I've seen. The model number is 38AU QA12A0A5A0A0A0. Serial number is 1411G10039. So this is a 2011 Carrier Gemini. Nothing too fancy about it, other than that's very large. And right next to it is a Trane XB13 from 2007. And the Trane is this a heat pump? I have to get a better look at this. Oh, whoa. There's a lot of water over here. How much condensation is this heat? Wow. This is a lot of condensation for one unit. But is this trying to heat pump? I don't know if it's a heat pump. It's an XB13. Model number is 2TW-A3060A3000AA. I assume that means that's a heat pump. Serial number, oh, here it goes starting up. The serial number is 7185NL52F. But this is a Trane XB13 that is now running, along with a very large Carrier Gemini unit that's also running. And the Carrier Gemini, as I said before, puts off a lot of condensation. That's the condensation right here that's come off this unit while it's been running. So yeah, a 2007 Trane XB13 and a Carrier and a very large Carrier Gemini, a very large 2011 Carrier Gemini unit running. Over and out.